Well, the challenge may be over, but the journey has just begun. For the past 4 months, we've been following 5 people through a fitness challenge at Title Boxing. Some had to withdraw from the challenge for personal reasons. Others were determined to reach their goals. Take a look.
Good. It's been hard, but it's been really, really good.
12 weeks ago, their goals may have sounded impossible, but through blood, sweat, and even a few tears, Christy and Heather have managed to each lose 50 pounds since they started this fitness challenge in November.
Oh my gosh, these two ladies have been incredible.
Head trainer Dash Cox has been their biggest fan.
They followed the program, they did a good job with everything I asked them to do, except for maybe once or twice. But for the most part, they did exactly what they were supposed to.
Heather says she learned a lot about herself since first walking through the door here at Title Boxing.
I've learned that if I put my mind to something, I can do it. Like I've learned that I actually do have the willpower, and I can go out of my comfort zone and be okay, and it's awesome.
As for Christy, she did sign up to run her first marathon later this year and says she took something special away from this challenge.
My parents are starting to eat healthier, and that's probably the biggest thing that has made this all worth it.
Another participant, Scott Reynolds, is also seeing results. Recently, Scott attended the Biggest Loser camp in southern Utah. He tells us he too has lost 50 pounds since he started the challenge in November. And Scott, Christy, and Heather all say they will continue to work on their goals, even though this fitness challenge is over.
I'm not done yet. I'm going to keep going.
Is that incredible?
It is.
Christy, cute Christy, is our 10 p.m. producer.
Yeah.
And she has been so diligent. I mean, every night for dinner, it's like, what are you having tonight, Christy? And she'll have something so healthy. And she's just been so diligent. We're all so proud of her.
She set a great example for a lot of us in the newsroom.
Yeah.
I learned nothing by her experience. I still eat all the bad
You still eat
foods.
your Lay's potato chips and say, how do these smell? You're not very nice. But we're proud of her. She's done an amazing thing.
If you missed any of our segments on the fitness challenge, you can go to KUTV.com, click on the Check Your Health link. We'll have it there for you.